What is success? Success can be defined by the quality of your relationships, the passion you feel towards your work, and the joy you get by delivering something phenomenal. 30 years ago, Autopress India was born out of a humble space and big dream. The goal was simple: to produce something we would be incredibly proud of. Something that was meticulous to design, exciting to execute, and a pure delight to use. Stahl was a natural extension of something we already believed: that excellence is not an event. It is a habit that needs discipline, sacrifice, commitment, and perseverance. Every piece produced at Stahl is a thoughtful juxtaposition of functionality and design. It is made with you in mind: your safety, your home, your food. Each one of us at the factory has one thing in mind while making your cookware: you. And that's why we leave no stone unturned to give you a gorgeous, thoughtful, safe, and enduring piece of cookware that you too can be truly proud of. Behind every machine, every part, every process, every product at Stahl is a promise of legacy, unwavering intent, and pure cooking joy.